Okay, so we haven't shown the kittens in a while. So we have Lady Stella here eating her tiny tasters. There's baby Glad. Hey, Gladys. And Gladys is very independent now as a young lady. Yes. Stella has become friendlier and she's very gentle. But don't get her riled, yeah, because she'll smack you, I think. She hasn't smacked me yet, but I've seen the look in her eyes and I know it well. Gladys, who was like the craziest, friendliest baby, she is like, I am very independent now, mommy. I must do my own thing. Yeah. So yeah, these are the teenage years for these kittens. They're let's see if they were 6 weeks old in March, April, May, June. They're like they're about 4 months old now. Yeah. God, that goes fast. Jesus Christ. March, April, May, June. No, they're not 4 months yet, but they're almost 4 months, yeah. So soon they'll be old enough to get them fixed. Probably get them fixed at around 6 months. I don't want to do it too young, yeah. But they need one more set of shots, and oh boy, it's a rigmarole. Thank God Christopher helps with all that stuff because I can no longer make it to the vet. Even though, yeah, there is a great new vet that does house calls and their prices are competitive. And if there was an emergency, I could get someone here. Yeah, I could get someone here. So that's comforting to know. Now, if only I could find a dentist like that, I'd be so fucking set. Well, everything's coming together now, and you're detoxing, and I want you to honor that. Even if you're feeling a little bit better than you were last night, please don't get dismayed if you get another wave this afternoon. All right, so what should I be doing? Exactly what you're doing. Lots of liquids. Yeah, stay hydrated and ease up a little on the green drinks and stuff because now the bentonite or the diatomaceous earth that is going through your system, it's doing all the work. That's all parasites that are being carried out. It's like a colonic. Yeah, this is incredible. But I tell you, my vision has cleared up a little. You get foggy when you're struggling with when you're toxic. And energy from other people who give you anxiety can produce toxins in your body. Everybody knows about cortisol and all that. Well, if you don't, look it up. So we're doing a cortisol detox. We're doing and like my stomach is flattening out. I had some bloating. That's flattening out. I was, really feeling uncomfortable with water retention, and that's leaving my body now. Um, Again, we're talking on cayenne pepper. John made this great recipe this morning that was very potent, but it jump started my system. Sauerkraut, miso, boiling water, about a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, like a homemade hot and sour soup. And we just added a teaspoon at the end of once the boiling water was added, a teaspoon of diatomaceous earth, sucked it down. Tasted just like delicious hot and sour soup from the Chinese, except there was no shrimp in it. Should I have? No, hold off. Don't have any shellfish today. Salmon, and I think we need to get some rice. We got to get some rice in you. Okay. All right. And really lots of water. Tea, green tea, hibiscus tea, ginger and turmeric tea. All right, these you're hearing detox. This is what's happening. Okay, we just did a really really great videos that will, but we got to hold off till we post it. But we'll be posting it this afternoon. It's a surprise what it's about, but it's a great video, and we made it early this morning, and everything's going great. On all fronts, everything is going great. Feeling good, uh, feeling wiped out, but in the best possible way. And you, John, wonderful, fantastic. Praise be God and Mother. Happy Caturday, and we'll be back. Happy Caturday, and we will be back.